Hello everyone, and today's video I will show you how to enable educational themes on your Windows 11 so that your PC looks great and give it more educational feel. To enable these themes, we need to go to Registry Editor and we click on Yes. We go to Local Machine, Software, and we go to Microsoft, and we search for Policy Manager. And we go to Current and Device. Inside Device, we create new key, right click, new key, and we give it a name, Education. Inside Education, we right click, new, keyword 32-bit value, and we give it a name, Enable EG Themes, and we hit enter. We double click on it and we change this value from 0 to 1 and we hit OK. And we close the registry manager. And now we enabled educational themes, but we need to restart our computer. After restarting your computer, Windows will start automatically downloading the new education themes. And to enable them, we go to Start, Settings, Personalization, Themes, and as you can see, Windows has downloaded the education themes automatically, and we can enable them here. As you can see, this is the light one, Planet Light, Planet Dark, Flower Light, Flower Dark, Sunset Light, and Sunset Dark, If you feel like you don't like these themes or you don't want them and want to disable them, we do the same thing. We go to Start, Registry Editor, we hit Yes, and we go to the key that we have created and we change this value from 1 to 0. We close the registry editor and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, the themes will be deleted automatically. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.